Hey there! For today's project I'm using the very special stamps. I'm also using the terrific tulips, plant-a-succulent, the banner from the shadow box card Ocean add-on, and the stitched scalloped rectangle frames dies. First, I die cut 3 white frames using the scalloped rectangle dies from heavyweight cardstock. I stacked and glued them together to create a chipboard style frame. This adds such a nice, sturdy look. Next, it's time for some colorful floral die cuts. I used the terrific tulips die set with the Ballet Slippers, sunflower, lilac and cilantro cardstock. One thing I absolutely love about this set is how you can arrange the petals in so many different ways. Whether the flower is in full bloom or still a bud, so versatile. I also run some of the petals through my die cut machine again, this time with an adorable little face die. Because let's be real, everything is cuter with a tiny smiling face, right? For the background, I painted a small piece of white cardstock with an E59 Copic marker. This will go behind the flower's face to make them stand out more. I glued it in place and trimmed off the extra edges. And now it's ink blending time. I used fossilized amber, wilted violet, picked raspberry and peacock feathers distress oxide inks. Just blending them lightly in certain areas for a soft, dreamy effect. The key to making it extra cute? Highlights. I will show you in just a bit. Once the flowers were done, I used the same peacock feathers ink to blend around the edges of my tight pull card base, which measures 5.5 by 4.25 inches. This just ties everything together nicely. To add texture, I did some white gouache splatters using my splatter box and let it dry. While that's drying, I glued all the flower pieces together with my trusty glue tube. And for now, the highlight magic. I used a white Posca pen to add tiny highlights all over the die cuts. These little white lines make everything pop and look extra adorable. While that sets, I created a sentiment banner using the banner die from the shadow box card Ocean add-on die set, cutting it from Ballet Slipper cardstock. I stamped the sentiment from the very special stamp set with walnut ink. After this, I added a soft ink blended touch to the edges of the banner with picked raspberry distress oxide ink. And that's it! All the pieces are ready. And here is the final look. What do you think? I just love how these lovely smiling flowers turned out. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or check out the supply list in the description.